Hi, I'm Carlotta Carlisle, and today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to use the fabulous John Bead seed beads and some memory wire, a perfect place to start when working for all of your fabulous projects this season. So today we're going to be using a selection of products from John Bead, all available at Michael's Crafts. We're going to be using our fabulous John Bead seed beads in a variety of colors. A rainbow, if you will. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is cut your wire. As you can see, the wire comes on a very, very large spring, almost like a very glamorous slinky. Remember, how long you cut the wire will determine how long the bracelet is and how many beads you're going to want to use. If you're just starting, a shorter bracelet's a great place to start. If you want to do something slightly more extravagant, cut a longer piece of the wire. Just nip the end and roll. A beautiful curled edge that will keep the beads on. And it's literally as easy as threading the bead onto the wire. Time to have fun. A very easy craft, an easy way to get into your first bit of memory wire beading with John Bead seed beads. And they look absolutely beautiful.